Hi, my name is Tom Ziegelbauer, and today I'm going to be teaching you a quick tip and tutorial on how to be more efficient with your meetings by seeing everyone else's calendar on yours inside of G Suite. All right, let's get after it. So first things first, you need to be inside of your Gmail or your Google Calendar that you're using as part of G Suite. G Suite, all that is basically Google or Gmail for business. So your business must be subscribed to the service for this to work in this way. So I am currently inside of our business email, and on the side of my layout, I have this little calendar button, which then shows me my day. I'm going to expand that out into a new tab. And currently I have already a number of people inside of my company that I've subscribed to their calendar so I can see what their day looks like as well. In order to subscribe to other people inside of your company, you go to add other calendars, subscribe to calendar, and then in this case, I'm going to add Crystal from our company. So I see hers. So now I see Crystal's calendar on top of all of the rest of these. If this becomes unwieldy or you don't like the colors and you want to associate colors with a particular person inside of your company, so let's take Crystal. I'm going to go in there and I'm going to change her color, say to tangerine, to make her stand out a little bit more. I'm also going to change Clay's color, and I'm going to change him to this kind of purple. Shane, I'm going to make him more of a cocoa color. Tyler, I'm going to go in here. You can actually select your own colors too. You can add a custom color. So I'm going to make him a green type of color. And Jeff, I'm going to do something similar. I'm going to create his as a dark green. So that differentiates them a little bit more from the rest of the people on those calendars. Great thing about this too, if this becomes unwieldy for you, you saw in that first view, I'm just viewing mine, but when I open that up, I'm now seeing everybody's. Let's say I don't want to see everybody's, but I just want to see, say, Jeff's as an example. I can turn off all of these other calendars, and then I can just see how his meets up against mine. So hopefully this helps. If it did, definitely please hit the like button down below, or subscribe to this channel so you can be alerted of additional tips and tricks that I'll be putting out from time to time. Thank you very much for watching.